Smart rooms, the difference between heat and comfort. Whether you're a contractor, architect, builder, or homeowner, creating the perfect indoor comfort environment has always been the ultimate challenge. ThermaRay, the world's #1 name in thermal comfort systems, provides the ultimate solution: smart rooms. This video focuses on the installation of Smart Rooms Floor Warming. Smart Rooms Floor Warming installation begins by making sure the floor surface is completely free of dust and debris. The wire should be at least 2 to 3 inches away from all walls. Using either screws or staples, simply install the spacing strips that hold the wire in place. You can cut the spacing strip to change directions or go around walls and cabinets. Locate the area for the thermostat. The lead wire must come out at the base of the wall. You can start anywhere in the room that will give you good coverage. All heating cable must be on the floor and the wire cannot cross over itself. The wire must be laid and spaced apart in 2 or 3 inch widths, depending on the heat loss and total floor area calculated. No other spacing intervals are acceptable. Supplemental heat may be required. Check with your authorized distributor for other Smart Rooms products that will satisfy your comfort needs. You can either staple or glue down the wire. If stapling, take extra care to avoid damage to the wire. Check the wire with an ohm meter to make sure the wire has not been damaged. Check the sensor wire from your Smart Rooms climate controller to make sure it is functional. It is not necessary to install the sensor into the subfloor. The sensor must be placed between the 2 heater cables. Fish the lead wire and sensor up the wall to the Smart Rooms climate controller. Carefully place the staples over the wire. Self-leveling cement or adhesive can be used, depending on the installer's preference. If using adhesive, the installer must follow the direction of the wire, and care must be taken to ensure the trowel does not cut the wire. Et voila! The tile is ready to be installed. Managed by our exclusive comfort controller, ThermaRay's Smart Rooms Floor Warming, Ceiling, and Earth Storage Radiant Heating products make us the #1 name in thermal comfort systems. Your assurance to achieving ultimate comfort throughout any environment is complete integration of the full system. Smart Rooms, the difference between heat and comfort.